part of her nail. And if you notice this, it fit, but here we have a sharp edge, so we're going to have to take that off. I'm going to have to do the same thing to the other side. Then we come back and try, see if it works, and it works. Try again, make sure it works. You see, most time people put on nail extension, but they don't show you what they have to go through to make sure that they fit. Now you know, this is reality. And when you do the nail like this, you will have no air pocket. I know sometimes people put on nails and they use their finger to do this. Don't, because if your finger stick onto the nails, then it will hurt the client and also hurt yourself. Let you identify what I'm doing. Right where the nail join between the nail bed and the extension, you will have a little feeling like you can feel the difference. So what I'm doing is taking out that sharp edge that is there and even the extension to match the nail bed, not buffing the nail bed, but filing this free edge, which is the extension, to match the nail bed, so we have a flat finish. So when you use the brush to apply the acrylic, it can go smoothly. That's why we buff that area. We buff this side because we want to shape it.